many of you already know, Comarch is a global corporation spreading across the world from Chile to Australia. For around 30 years we have been helping our clients in transformation and digitization processes. Our European development centers are renowned for the high-quality applications that are appreciated by our clients, even the largest and most demanding one from the Fortune Top 500 list. Our adventure in Thailand started over 10 years ago from the project with TMB Bank. It wasn't enough though. If you want to take care of your clients really well, you need to be close to them. Hence, we have opened an office here. As you can see, we are now in the Singa building in the center of Bangkok, where we can combine our experience from multiple projects in many countries with local expertise. As you may know, even the best software needs this regional flavor. Our local relationship managers who are taking care of the clients have the whole scope of resources at their disposal here in Bangkok. At the forefront, there are business analysts, engineers, IT experts ready to help, supported by a strong consulting team to make sure that clients' needs are fully understood. This is what is really important, to be where our clients are. From our regional office in Bangkok, we are supporting clients not only in Thailand, but in other Southeast Asia countries. Comarch provides products and services to different industries, including banking, like for example for TTB Bank or Krungsri Bank in Thailand, insurance for Prudential in Vietnam, retail for Home Pro in Thailand, or telecommunications, where we are providing our services to True in Thailand, Globe in the Philippines, or XL Axiata in Indonesia. Recently, we started cooperation with automotive industry with Toyota Boshoku Asia. So we take our European products and services, add local expertise, and implement them on the local markets. A great example here is our products made for banks, like Credit Corporate Banking, which is SME and corporate banking platform, allows for full straight-through processing. It brings a lot of benefits, not only for the bank, like automatization or fewer errors, but primarily for the client. Business customer can apply for a new product or service directly from the platform. What is also important, all these operations might be performed via different channels of communication. This is, by the way, an example of this local flavor, because in Thailand and other Asian countries, mobile channel plays much more important role than in Europe. That is why competition among corporate banks is more aggressive and pressing on customer benefits. People like reliable but fast banking solution. That is why Comarch might be one of the best solutions for them. A few financial institutions have wisely started to build and execute digital strategy with a strong partner. A great example here is TTB Bank. Recently, the Asian banker awarded Comarch together with TTB Bank for the best digital transformation implementation in Thailand, where Comarch Corporate Banking was implemented under the brand of TTB Business One. It is worth to learn from the best, so let's listen to the story.
Thank you, Christoph, for a little bit of introduction to TTB Business One. So let me walk you back a little bit on how we start the project and when we start the project. So actually in 2019, we have realized that right now the market in Thailand have shifted and try to use the digital banking as a main service or main channel to contact with the bank. So we would like to make sure that we will be one of the best and we will be the first one who can deliver the new experience for the business user who are using digital channel. With that in mind, we have 3 goals in our mind to make sure that we deliver the best digital experience to our customers. The first one will be one platform We would like to make sure that customer can use only single platform to access to any service with the banks. So they can use to do any transaction, to transfer, to view the statement, and do any activities within the one single digital platform. The second one will be one to control. We would like to make sure that all information inside the platform will be available for our customer and they can control any information inside their companies with this platform. The last one to command. We would like to make sure that customer can design and make decisions based on information inside our system using AI, forecast, any information that they see in the system, they can make decision immediately for their business. All of those couldn't be achieved without a truly understanding on customer requirement and customer need in the market. Doing so, we start to do the research and customer understanding group with them, using the interview, prototype, and many material to serve this kind of business function. Additionally, we would like to make sure that the system that we have in the market will be the sophisticated one and will be a friendly UX UI to make sure that any customer, any new business to the market will be ready and easy to use our platform. With both reasons, that's why we're looking for the new partnership in the market. And we agree with Comarch to be one of the new partners to deliver such a project. It's not only because they already have the product or service out there, but because they're willing to adjust the requirement, the platform, to be aligned with our roadmap here in TTB. Additionally, with the new UX UI design from the Comarch and from TTB, we already synchronized together to make sure that everything will be seamless for customer, including the data migration itself from the old platform to the new one. Luckily enough, in March 2020, we did start the project. And you know what? That's exactly the same time where pandemic hit us. So our team internally, including the Comarch team, have to work from home. On the Comarch side, they also have to work from Poland, so we cannot meet each other in Thailand. However, thanks to the agreement in the beginning of the project, we already agreed to use agile approach and have the daily sync up, and to make sure that any activities during the project will be synchronized between two partners, so that's where we can deliver such a huge project within only 8 months. Well, that's it. That's the next generation for digital banking platform, TTB Business One. Thank you.